Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off notifications within the Headball 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Headball 2 game within your device, and if you are playing for the first time, you will be taken through the basic tutorial levels. Once you complete these levels, you will gain access to the main menu, from which if you wish to turn off the notification, just tap on the drop down button at the top right corner. You will then see the gear icon. Tap on the gear icon and this will take you into the settings page, within which you can tap on the notifications button, and now you will see the toggle for the kind of notifications that you will receive from the game. Make sure to turn these buttons off, and now you will not receive any more notification from within this game. If you wish to change your settings back at any time, you can come back to the settings menu and then turn on these toggles once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to turn off notifications within the Headball 2 game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.